हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? टुडे वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट environment and pollution. What is the environment? The combination of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. That is known as the environment. We can simply understood the environment, that is it's made by the two words that envir and around. That is the all thing which are around us is environment. Guys, what is means the atmosphere? Atmosphere, it is the layer of the gases surrounded the certain surrounded the earth. It filters harmful radiation and allows only the ultraviolet, visible and other longer wavelength radiation to pass through it. That is, the all atmosphere exists above the air, above the planet, above the earth. And the hydrosphere, it includes all the types of the water bodies like the rivers, ponds, lakes, ocean, galaxies, etc. That is, hydrosphere exists on the earth, and lithosphere, it is the outer crust of the earth, consists of the minerals and soils. That is, it is exist. That is, lithosphere is exist on the earth and as well as in the earth. And biosphere includes all the living organisms and their interaction with the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the lithosphere, like human, like fish in the ocean, and many types of the organs, species which exist in earth. Guys, what is the pollution? Pollution, any undesirable elements, any undesirable change of the physical, chemical and biological characteristics in the air, in the water, in the land, which is harmful to the man, and also as well as it is harmful to the other species which exist on the planet, on this earth planet, our planet, as a planet harmful to the mind directly or indirectly through the animals, plants, waste from the industrial life industries is known as the pollution. Pollution, that is just simply that the pollution which is undesirable on and excess amount of the elements which in effect the harmful of the organism species which exist on this planet. And what is the pollutant? the the substances. The pollutant is a substances produced either by the natural sources or by the human activity which has the adverse effect on the environment, that is which cause the environmental pollution. That means just a simple we can understand the pollutant, that is which create the pollution, that substance which have the excess amount in the our environment which disbalance the environment is known as the pollutant. Known as the pollutant, which are pollutants is also we form exist in the form of the um, solid, liquid, gases, not a gas. That is the best difference. Pollutant, pollutants is also with the gases and chemically, physically, biologically, etc. Here, the most biggest problems of the and the main factor of the environment, that is the air pollution. And what is the air pollution? The air pollution may be defined as the any or any at, that any atmospheric condition in which the certain substances are present in such a concentration that they are produced the undesirable effects on the human as well as the environment. These substances include the gases such as oxides of the sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, etc. Particulates matter such as the smoke, dust, flames, and radioactive substances. Mistakes. Just simple we can understood the air pollution just defined as the air pollution, the disbalance in the air by the pollutant like mm, the gases, carbon in excess of the gases, excess of the elements, excess of the dust, excess of the smoke, fumes, and also as the greenhouse gases is known as the air pollution. And it is the main two types of the pollutants, air pollutants, that is primary pollutants of air pollution and the secondary pollutants of air pollution. In the primary pollutants, they are directly emitted from the sources. These include the pollutants matter as the smoke, primary pollutants that is the smoke, and many inorganic gases. Inorganic carbon dioxide is the inorganic gases, and secondary pollutants, which is belongs to the ketones, nitrates, sulfates, and secondary pollutants, which are found in the atmosphere by the chemical reactions. And this, what is the source of the air pollution? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the gas by the industrializations, by the crushing, stones, mixing, etc. What is the particulates? The term is used for the atmospheric substances that are not gases. These may be the suspended droplets or the solids, particles, or mixtures of the two. It can be composed of the inert or extremely reactive materials of the varying sizes. Particulates may be variable or non-variable. The variable particulates are imminent living organisms that are disappeared, placed in the atmosphere. It includes the bacteria, fumes, molecules, etc. The particles from the soils and the minerals contain the calcium, aluminum, and the compounds of the silicon, while smoke from the combustion of the oil, woods, and coal contains the many organism compounds. The particles containing the trace elements such as the lead, chromium, nickel, mercury, in the form of the oxide, hydroxide, sulfates, nitrates are the most harmful pollutants. Solids and liquids aerosols suspended in the atmosphere and named as a pollutant metals, etc. And the effects, human health effects of the air pollution, the effect of the particulates matter depends on the the size. When the size of the particulates is more than the two micro substances, they are trapped in the hairs by nozzle passes, canonical muscle